Hello, what's up guys and welcome to THUG Crypto channel. We'll be diving deep into this wonderful project. But before we start, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is purely for education and entertainment. So enjoy. Welcome crypto enthusiasts. In today's video we're diving deep into THUG Memecoin. The meme coin that's not just for fun but truly rewarding. If you are looking for a unique opportunity that combines community spirit with actual financial reward, then stay tuned. Today I will guide you through everything you need to know about THUG community, how to buy it, and how it rewards holders with bread tokens. Let's get started. THUG Memecoin is not just another meme coin. It's bring real value to community. With every transaction, holders receive rewards in bread, making participants truly rewarding. Navigation: the website is simple. Find links to their Telegram, TikTok, X, and email, along with the contract address for easy access. And for beginners looking to get started in crypto, this tutorial will guide them on how to swap Ethereum from the Ethereum chain to Ethereum on Basechain and buy the THUG token using Trust Wallet. First, open Trust Wallet and ensure there is enough Ethereum on the Ethereum chain. Navigate to the app section, select as supported swapping platform and choose Ethereum to Basechain Ethereum, confirming the swap. Next, add the THUG token contract address to Trust Wallet. Go back to the app section, access the swapping platform again and select Basechain Ethereum to THUG. Remember to set the slippage to 5% for a smoother transaction. THUG is not just a regular meme coin. First, limited supply. THUG tokens are capped and 50% have already been burned. This means it has the potential to grow twice as fast in market cap compared to regular tokens. Check Basechain to see it as the top holder. 2. Automatic dividends. Holders of at least 100 million THUG tokens receive bread tokens as dividends from every buy and sell the tokens held. The bigger the share. For example, a holder with 200 million tokens get double the dividend compared to a holder with 100 million. 3. Renounced contract. The contract has been renounced, ensuring no change can be made. It's fully decentralized. 4. Liquidity locked. Liquidity is sent to a dead wallet, making Ripple impossible. And a small fee for each transaction is collected in this smart contract. Once it reaches 0.1% of the remaining liquidity is converted to bread and is automatically distributed to all holders with at least 100 million THUG tokens. And for the token details, the name is THUG, the symbol is THUG, the network is Base, the total supply is 2 trillion, the max supply is 1 trillion, the circulation is 1 trillion, the burned is 1 trillion, and this is the contract's address. For the roadmap and vision: first, slate launch on Uniswap version 2. First 50% of tokens burned. 3. Liquidity and contract locked permanently. 4. Social media presence established. 5. Organic grow and expose. And for futures plans: 1. Listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. 2. Strategic partnership and marketing campaigns. 3. Certic audit for security. 4. T2 6 listing and 5,000 to 10,000 holders. Long-term goals: 1. More exchange listing and official partnership with bread, trending all our major platforms and bear campaigns. 3. 50,000 plus and 1 billion market cap. And before investing in THUG, is essential to perform a security check using various tools. Start by using a honeypot checker to ensure there are no hidden traps preventing the sale of tokens after purchase. On Basechain, verify the token's burn status. Look for evidence of burned token and check if the liquidity published poll has also been burned. Confirm that the contract's address ownership has been renounced. This ensures that no one can alter the contract or make unauthorized change. Use the token sniffer to check the overall contract safety. This tool provides a detailed analysis for potential risk and scams. And that's a wrap. THUG MEMECOIN isn't just another meme coin. It's a true community driven project with tangible reward. If you are ready to join the THUG community and start entering those bright rewards, now's the time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated and all things crypto. I will see you in the next video.